Morning, Brendan from Starpoint Australis. So we finally got out and about into the wild, and we just want to take you through some of the features that we have with the Octons and the Phoenix. Now, last night was incredibly windy here, and obviously we were trying to shoot, but one of the things that people have asked me about a few times is how do you use the tensioners on the guy rope. So what I'll do is I'll bring you over here and we can have a little bit of a chat about it. So very simply, the loop comes down, goes through this little bump, and you can see the little bump on the top, comes through the hole, down, loops around, back in, and locked into this. Now, I will just point out that sometimes the manufacturer has placed this the other way, and it makes it a lot harder to work. But let's have a look and see how easy it is. So you just grab it, twist it, and then slide it on down, and then that's loose. Same thing is that when you're tightening it, you just pull tight, slide up, so keeping this straight until you get to about the tension, and let it go, and it locks itself because of the triangle feature on here. So really easy to use, but you just need to be aware of how to use it. So once again, slide down, slide up, lock it in, and done. That's the nice little tensioner that we have for you. Now, whilst I'm here as well, you can see the wind that's pulling in here. I reckon it's probably 30 kilometers an hour, so you'd say 60 mile an hour is 100, 30 k's is a third of that, so probably 25 mile an hour winds at the moment, and you can see that the windshield is copping quite a lot. It didn't save us last night, but hey, we got there in the end. The other part about this is the quick lock, so we can show you how that works. Once again, twist that down, loosen it off a little, and then you can bring this up and in and over. Easy done. Nice. Sometimes you can go, if it's really windy, it might be a good idea to release the quick connect and just use the tie. And if you're going to use the tie method, just take that off, click that there for the second, and then you tie up and around, over, do a hitch, and then pull it down from there. So once again, you just pull this up nice and tight, and there you go. So that there holds on to at a very important point of the structure in high wind loads. All right, I'll leave it to you.